Abusiafo ene adofonom. Mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GH so. Munuaba ekwesi kapa na nso minimo edi ehie yi. Misi nkonya se di asem amunim se ekura edi biba eno no ensem a etrendi ewo memu ne no ena yedi ebebegu apono so epinsim mu epeni nyina ne pomesibre na ene deyi abranti bia wono de chese na ni embu no dwedwedwedwedwedwe emfa ho so wo ye panyi so wo ye akwada wo ye abofra wo ye abranti wo ye abasiriwa wono de wo ka se ekoyi ankoyi wondo obeba baba bekire na adwen ede afa ho nene dey wababa bekasa ede afa eye chairman Wuntumi ne nsem a wode etu edwa na ebusuafo momayembonra eye ensem no emu said munim no Asante regional chairman chairman Wontumi MPP Asante regional chairman or de ebedi MPP amanyoko no enim no what de ensem bi ebebetu edwa efa edom kuma ewo mrahyebeje fie meche de opposition party NDC one new running mate a woman you know say woman meka mampani wantes wono and ebeba mampani former president John Dramani Mahama ne running mate and I say wono na ebeba ne vice president no wakasa ede afan wa wonim say maame professor Naana Opoku Ajiman ye no as a running mate edema edonkuma no ensensem bebre na aba afam womo ehye nkom asofo afam a womo ehye nkom se maame no ebewu ebiem womo ebose se womo nkom hye abam womo ani agye dedo na ede womo adwenkyere ebaye na enrada chama Wuntumi nsem ode etu dwa na chese wo kyiremu a wo hu ne se maame no se yebeyi no pa se wono ye running mate pa se NDC fo yi no pa se wono na enye running mate de ene nka NDC fo ede kofa comedian ye nuaba afia shwas nega kwampo na nka na denti na wo kasa no wo kyiremu hu ne se afia shwas nega waye enoma bebre wonye hwe krampo no no anoma waye de ama ono anu ho a eboa ni society ne de ono abetimi aye no krampo no enu enimu ewonyam echen Naana professor Naana ne noma waye time obebe educational chancellor ne ho kone ba no krampo ne hu ade papa bia woye wantimi afam puntu anase dodo anampo entimi antini din antumpo akwa ye se waye bibi papa bia ma wo mo ehunu se wo ade pa bi ede ma wo man Ghana ede aboa amanyoko nso a wo kwakota wo mo achienu enti na twa ena no wo mo etwa bo no nti we ni ne nsem a wode ebetu edwa se nka hu behia se ankom be fa afia hwas nega mom asen se wo mo ebekwakofa professor Naana na wode nsem we etu dwa no na anya Kelvin Taylor ede amo no so asori a video bi ababo nti na ebusua mo ma yenkonkwohwe ne ye ba ye beto a ensem no eso
Some were out chain a boy be saying, Gam saying about Funtra, a crobby one called them, we all called the jail. Chama Wuntumi, a crop bianca, we all the jail. This guy is an animal, and Mbana more MPP Muna most so Jimmy way so no. And Kwasi someone can tell me there. Yeah, see the way she looks. My men or hono. Line order. You see, one funny thing, there was one reporter with Washington Post this morning. I saw a video about one of the men in the opposition speaking ill of the woman you guys chose, and I'm like, yeah. The funny comment that person passed, I say, so all those men running for office, who is prettier than this woman? Mbema no more Ghana na omo enyina from Mahama Ekufuado why and who fetching my way. Na ochi mu we abegina say shoba enim nti atade ohenti na wo Jimmy need to sell krapo woska Jimmy need to sell this woman can be my mom and I will speak for this woman. She shouldn't talk, she should just be herself and do her job. We will speak for her. Ochi Jimmy need to sell wo Osha boskele jeans way poboy so ochi to sell you come to insult because of politics. Now sabi uti kumase. We a young girl, we a young woman. That's what one else on some way. So I said, "Wait, Jimmy change my own to me. We dim what time we nim. So what's sorry 7 December. Now could Jina lie so say yeah MPP for upon the chairman. I want to me did dim at them. Jina that's one man. I'm telling you, this is the time the women have to come out and speak. And I'm talking to my own MPP woman. Where are you when we need you to speak? To me, is a big fool. If you don't want to watch me, don't watch me. Yama Jimmy Wembe Kanadu no sorrow na mafo Chema Wuntumi. Jimmy, where we galams me say a Krobianko we are born to Ekunu. Chema Wuntumi. He's an illegal doing illegal business in Ghana. And you want to insult a woman of credibility like this? A woman who has worked so hard. Do you know the hope this woman has given to other people? Now, we're German for a 224 man audio, which you think you can just speak anyhow? What Chema Wuntumi for Yiribe Johnny show yere. Or say Chema say you Yiribe Jina TV show yere. Wo General Secretary for Yere bra. Ni ansha mo yere no. Na mo fa mo compare we. E Jimmy nkwa na mo de Ghana na mo Jimmy mu ho. Say you will be there, no problem. And there will be a problem. That's too. I saw a post on Facebook when somebody was saying, say, MPP, we the MPP. Majority of them, Omniaco school near their day. When somebody is in MPP, automatically, or just join MPP, unimnyansa will be everything you make, if it's not for MPP, unimnyansa, you are not educated. But we see people like this. Hear the statement from a majority leader. Saying, if John Mahama is not there, can this woman lead? Does she have to come and sleep with your dirty ass before she can lead? Do you know what makes somebody a leader? Leadership and a leader. I say, you can never be a leader. High school don't we know? Don't we know? Then you get a fool like Chema Wuntumi will come and stand there. Such a typical bull. Ochin to say, but did your mammy way at them? Ochin to say, Chema Wuntumi. Shade be a shano. You're almost 50 years. Shade is a show. Say Kimprin or Pamo. Then they say a sweatpants. Say Jimmy. Now be did my way at them because of politics. And my problem is the women are quiet. If this chance escape me, I can't share mo. Mame for Mosheme. Mumbawa SS, Ewo GSS, Ewo University, Mebandi Obenyina, Obenya Jumaye, they will be sleeping with your daughters every day because you have failed to speak for freedom for your kids. This is the time you need to speak for the freedom. This woman represents hope. The new Kwame Nkrumah for women in Ghana. I'm telling you. And if you people miss this chance, Sibia, you before person Kwame Nkrumah, if you miss this chance to allow people like Chema Wuntumi, Asla Owusu, these idiots, you will never see your daughters prosper. How many girls have been raped in Ghana just because they want a job? How many girls have been raped in our ministries because they want a job and you're going to be paid less than $100 a month? When I go out for dinner with my wife, we spend more than that. One night dinner. But these girls, these men, or say and men who feel say women are slaves, women cannot lead, women cannot be leaders. That is what they do to the women, the little girls coming up. So they don't want to give them chance. Me, if I go my own way, we will clear all these greedy, useless old men and put women in power. I'm telling you, these men are thieves. Even more from Tete. What have they done? This is the time somebody like a regional chairman like Chema Wuntumi, you get the opportunity because I go with Jimmy on Twin Kenyans Assembly. There are issues hanging on the neck of this government, on the head of this government. PDS, yen can we here? Gabi Ochidakon, Bamti or the UK, or Wuani, 4 months or the 5 months, the UK, on Twin Ponkasa, Ekufuado's brother, or 100 cities, 200 cities, Atamako to UK. He might die when you need chrono no mobile. As we speak in Ghana, we don't even have a president. We don't know where he is. Who said the bench and two. Nobody knows. Vice President Donkey. You name the oil. We have things. The EC is killing people. J Mensa is parading kids, allowing Ghanaians to get infected every single day. The numbers are going up. These are things we have to be talking about. When this woman was nominated or whatever as the running mate, have you heard any MPP person officially come out to congratulate? That is not congratulations. Have you even seen the president go on his Twitter feed to go congratulate this woman? The president does not believe in women's leadership.
Say Kelvin Taylor. kwautela said the do na enim no wo de ne nsem etu edwanatimu se we di papa ya tem yie papa ne wo twe na ntwie ne ayiminim se nipa krampo ne etimi de wo twe ne ntwie etimi e de describe na na etimi de classify no as a human being etimi de animation thing etimi classify no ema no eyeye na so so no de enam se nanim bu ne dwe na wo ye NDC ni na ebiem so so yakokasa e de etia oba enti no anye ne de na enu nti wasori e di agina ama eye professor Naana Opoku ajeman di eye chama Wuntumi atem ye pa se eni kwan krampo senka wo kasa sa eni kwan se anka wo ensa ensemwe ebi etimi efri nanum na abusuafo moteye na ensem no ono nso de ne nsem betu dwa na Ghana fo so atwe wo mo adwen e de afa ho nanu na ebinom se dabi Kelvin se eye panyimu wa ya ade enye krampo na akwada wuni tumi wuni akonya so wutimi kokotena afidie kase so edi na tem se eye wo ye mbada bi de wo ye no nko ade wate wonkwa ena eso nanu na ebinom so se yemfa enye chairman because o se efata se wa mama mekasa nsem hunu we ankyere eye se bi wo ba na ebiem so ye be ma na wo ba na kyem no ewo no anka emma aye Kelvin Taylor so enya akonya no entimi ememetwa emmo no se de wo no so aye ntine hoje yemfa emanu na ebinom nsusu se panyi wupu hu a na akwada nsusu eyeden ebuwo edibu a wambu ne ho wanfani dia ama ema entuna nunti na ama akwada nsusu ebu no animtia ama wono nsusu akyekye na adwen ede atwe na ebusuafo said ye ensem no ekoye ye tie chama Wuntumi ede awode ebaye ena biom so me Kelvin Taylor so de abramo ensem ni nyina no den na wodwen efa ho fo wadwen kire ebra ewo D0G comment section so wodwen se eye Kelvin Taylor de ye ne kwan so a eno no afabra se eye de oka ye no so na eni kwan se okasa sa enam se eye chairman wanyini kire no so a na no so wode wadwen kire atu edwa ewo D0G comment section mema wo remfi sa won subscribe to channel na ebiem share videos na like your videos efa emaye mi adoma na one channel see dey nya upload video bia wetimi enya notification mi amede dwumade ho chia me medin ene akua sikapa dasene yebesane hia
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.